How to fix Instagram story music not working. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to Play Store or an App Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of your device. Move into apps. Head over to the application Instagram. Click on Stories and Cache. Over here you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. While clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs, and it will make your application run smoothly. Once it has been done but you are still facing this issue, then the next thing you want to do is to uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix the Instagram story music not working. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.